Procrastination isn't a time management problem. It's an emotional regulation problem. You aren't lazy. Your brain is simply trying to protect you from the stress of the task. But in doing so, it's killing your future. Today, we aren't just talking about doing it later. We are going to rewire your brain to take action now. When you look at a difficult task, your amygdala, the brain's fear center, sees it as a threat. It triggers a fight or flight response, causing you to flee toward cheap dopamine, like social media. To win, you must activate the prefrontal cortex, the logical part of your brain, before the fear takes over. There is a 5-second window between an idea and the brain killing it. If you don't move within 5 seconds, your brain will pull the emergency brake. Next time you feel the urge to procrastinate, count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This physical action interrupts the habit loop and forces your brain to switch from thinking to doing. Most people fail because they focus on the mountain, not the first step. Use the 2-minute rule. Whatever task you are avoiding, scale it down to something that takes less than 2 minutes. Don't write a book. Write 1 sentence. Don't work out for an hour. Just put on your gym shoes. Once you start, the Zeigarnik effect kicks in, a psychological phenomenon where our brain hates unfinished tasks and pushes us to complete them. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If your phone is next to you, you've already lost. Design your space for frictionless action. Hide the distractions. Put your phone in another room. Visual cues. Lay out your work tools the night before. Stop relying on motivation. It's a feeling that fades. Rely on systems. You don't need to feel like doing it. You just need to do it. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. It's choosing what you want most over what you want now. Now I challenge you. What is one task you've been avoiding? Commit to the 5-second rule and do it right after this video. Subscribe to join the 1% who take action. Your future self is counting on you.